Hi guys, I'm Simone from the Clinique Color Pro team, and I'm going to show you how I apply foundation. One of the biggest questions we get at Clinique is how to apply foundation so it's so natural that it doesn't look like you're wearing foundation at all. My favorite is Beyond Perfecting Foundation Plus Concealer because it's a great multitasker and it has buildable coverage. The applicator is great because it has the slanted tip. You can use that flat slanted side to apply a lot or just the tip to spot apply. I start applying by just putting a few dots where I need it. If I need a little bit extra, I can also swipe. The great thing is that only one application is needed. Blending, I like to start in the middle, blend up and outwards. And if I need a little extra coverage in some areas, I can use a patting motion. Usually, it's the center that needs more foundation or more coverage. So I like to start there, blending outwards and downwards. You're going to notice that it's so smooth, that it blends so easily and so seamlessly, but always make sure to get those folds around the nasal. Another great tip is to make sure you get around the hairline, along the jawline, and don't forget the ears. Easy, fast, natural, and flawless. Next, I add a little bit more foundation where I need it, making sure there's not too much foundation on the tip of the applicator. Dab it like under the eyes, or if I had any red spots, and then just dabbing in for a little bit of extra coverage. And that's how I make my foundation look flawless and natural, using these essentials, which are allergy tested and fragrance free. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, Clinique is your destination for simple routines that give remarkable results.